I'm Dr. Frank Kale, a licensed and practicing physician, and I lost over 20% of my body weight in 2021. I lost more than 5 inches off my waist. I lowered my cholesterol by more than 20 points and lowered my systolic blood pressure by more than 20 millimeters of mercury. I lowered my heart rate at rest by more than 30 beats a minute. I did all of this without any medication. In fact, I was able to stop taking my reflex heartburn medication. I did it without any surgery and its risk of complications. And I posted almost every workout and meal that I ate for the entire year on my TikTok channel. This is one meal that I really like to use that I really never ate before, never ate kale very much at all. And I find it to be a quick lunch to whip up in just a few minutes that will last over several days. This is about as close as I get to what the internet calls meal prep. And I find it very filling, really delicious. I really recommend that you try it. If you'd like to get this or any further recipes, feel free to email my account, and I'll be trying to send out more of those over the next few months. Get fit and be lean.